Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Outlander 1000R. We just installed some cool accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We did add the turn signal / street legal kit on it, as well as heated hand grips and a heated seat. We've selected to install the switches down here. This is the heated seat. You've got low, off, and high. We've also got heated grips, low, off, and high. And we've got the backup lights right here. We mounted the backup lights tucked in out of the way on the back. Very nice, very bright. We used Axia Alloys mounts to mount them onto the bumper itself. Turned out great. With the street legal / turn signal kit, you do have your switch that mounts here up on the steering column, and then you're just left and right. Horns also integrated into the switch itself. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole is going to work. This is where we've selected it to do on this Outlander. Very nice. 435-427-3338. Give us a call or shoot us a text. We'll get you taken care of. Anything Can-Am, we got you covered. Have a great day, everybody.